I was following Sur Prabhat on Facebook because when I first came to know about it, I was browsing the websites and other things, and it gave me a spark that okay, there's a organization who are thinking about this different kind of concept, and it's not only the classical vocal or instrument, but they are trying to do a fusion and bring it in a very interesting way, where along with the hardcore classical singers, the common people who would like to enjoy classical would also come. फ्यूजन का मतलब ये होता है कि सबका पार्टिसिपेशन बराबर का होता है, तो बराबर का ऑडियंस आजकल इतने समझदार हुए हैं और स्मीम इतने अच्छे शोज़ कर रहे हैं कि लोगों को एक एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑलरेडी बन गया है इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से।
Archita Bhattacharya was amazing, superb. I saw her videos first on YouTube. तो तभी I was like कि यार बहुत मज़ा आएगा ये वो. Then we first met her at the rehearsals. और तब the first note the artist hits ना you get to know कि यार मज़ा आने वाला है. I go to fusion concerts where people are like कि classical बजाते हैं तो ये drummer है ना, तो आप थोड़ा ना भैया ऐसा थोड़ा इधर ये वो, उन्होंने बोला जो बजाना है वो बजाओ. तो that's where the freedom goes and that's where the connection builds.
Vocalist gets terrified with some of the instruments. Drums is one of them. What happens is that उनका impact इतना high रहता है कि और उनके साथ वोकल करने के लिए आपकी तैयारी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होनी चाहिए.
I started off with tabla when I was 5. Then I learned tabla for some 16 years. Then after my school I was like, even at my home घर पे वो सब बर्तन पे वो बेलन लेके I used to play when my mom used to go to office. Then I thought कि यार let's try drums. So I joined classes at Ahmedabad and I started playing ऐसे ही casually. Then I took it seriously that I need to do something on drums क्योंकि मज़ा तो आ रहा है. Then I took it seriously. I went to Mumbai to learn from Gino Banks and yeah, I've been playing drums since then.
He knows how much and where to play. When he will be given a chance, he will just वो blast करेगा. अगर आप किसी को थाली में अगर दो ही चीज़ परोसोगे तो वो दो ही चीज़ खाएगा, बट इफ़ यू गिव देम लॉट ऑफ मेन्यूज दे विल हैव द सिलेक्शन, दे विल सेलेक्ट इट. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट स्मीम इज़ डूइंग, कमिंग अप विद डिफरेंट brilliant concept, and I'm very sure that along with the hardcore classical singers, the young generation will also get involved in this, and Smeem will give them a very good platform to learn classical music and to take it round the globe.